Okay, for question number 6, we are going to take the derivative of cube root to the cube root of x to the second power. And let me pay attention to the cube root. And inside here we have x to the second power like this. The way that we have to deal with this is that we are going to look at this as taking a derivative. We are going to write this as x to some power. Here inside here we have x to the second power. And when you have an outside, which is the cube root, this cube root right here is going to turn out to be a fractional exponent. So in another word, cube root of x to the second power is just the same as x to the 2/3 power. Okay, and the reason that we want to write it in terms of x to the 2/3 power is because then we can write this as the power rule. So we can just take the power to the front and then minus 1 to the exponents. And that's how we are going to take the derivative of this function. Here we have the 2/3 comes to the front, so 2/3, and then we have x, and 2/3 minus 1, that should be negative 1/3. And of course, negative 1/3 is the same as saying 1 over, so this part right here goes to the denominator. We have 2 over, the 3 is right here, and this part goes to the denominator, which is x, and then we write this right here as to the positive 1/3. And one last step right here is that we're going to rewrite the fractional exponents as the radicals. So on the top is just the 2 over, this 3 is just the 3. But then x to the 1/3, the 1/3 power turns out to be radical, and that turns out to be the cube root. And the inside right here will be just the x. And notice that this is just 1/3, so it will be just x to the first power. And notice that which one is our answer choices? 2 over 3 cube root of x. It's answer choice B right here. That's all we need to do.